Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing my October empties. I forgot what month I was doing for a second there. Anyway, we don't have that many, but still. The first thing that I used up was this Mecca Cosmetica Nourishing Cleansing Oil, and I use this up from all of my Halloween looks. I do like it. I think it's nice. I think it would be better at taking off everyday makeup. In saying that though, like it definitely works, it definitely takes your makeup off, but I think that my Clinique Take Off the Day balm works a lot better. In saying that, I feel like I tend to get along with actual like cleansing balms for like removing makeup better than I do oils. So yeah, I don't know, I do like it though. I got this in my beauty loop, I think at one point. And yeah, I'm definitely not like disappointed. Like I do feel like it was a nice product. And I feel like if you were taking off a little bit lighter makeup, it'd work really well. So I also used up this British Rose shower scrub. I've already used up one of these before, but I had another one and I used it up. I do quite like it. These were just like very small sizes because they came in the advent calendar last year, I think. That smell really good. And yeah, I do quite like it. It's a very nice like everyday scrub. It's not super like exfoliating or anything, so you can use it every day. It's really nice. Used up the Urban Decay Stay Naked foundation. Mine was in 20 NN, and honestly, I don't think I like this that much. I don't know, I feel like it doesn't go on very nicely on my skin. I used it in some of my Halloween looks because obviously like I was using face paint and stuff over it, so yeah, it didn't really matter that much about how the actual foundation looked. But yeah, I just don't think I really enjoyed this that much. I don't know, I just don't think it got along with my skin. I feel like it looked a bit flaky and a bit dry, stuff like that. It's meant to be a weightless liquid foundation, but yeah, I don't know, it's just not for me. In saying that, I absolutely love the All Nighter, so I think it's just this one. It just doesn't look very nice on my skin. And then the last thing that I used up was the Zoeva Authentic Skin Natural Luminous Foundation. Mine's in 100W Confident. This is not my shade, it's too dark for me, or like a bit too orangey, but I actually really love this foundation. I think it's so stunning, and I'm very sad that I've used it up, and I definitely want to repurchase it. I might try and repurchase it in a shade that's closer to my skin colour. But yeah, I really like this one. I was so sad when I used it up. I was like, oh my god, like, I don't know. But yeah, so that was all of my empties, obviously not very many. I am trying really hard this month to try and use up some more products. Last month, obviously, I feel like I was just doing a lot of my Halloween looks, so I wasn't like really like, you know, burning a lot of candles or like using a lot of like different makeup and stuff like that. So thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!